Hello everybody, and today we're going to do a tutorial on how to make the snow effect that I did in the Battle of the Bulge. So first you want to make a new file, 16 by 19, it could be any ratio that you want. Then you need to add the media. What media? Just any kind of animation that you have did, like this. Let's just do this one, this animation. That is just only for like 10 seconds. No sound. Perfectly fine. Then what you need to do is to go to layer, add an overlay, go to the classic sticker, neither use this moon sticker or the ice cube sticker. No, the ice ball sticker. You want to make it small. Then go to the animation, go to the rain. To make it denser, I usually do it 2 times. Overlay again, classic sticker. Now I'm gonna do this one. Make it small. Do the animation. Go to rain, and done. This is the result. So that's it for this video. This is just only a short video on how to do this snow effect tutorial. What you need, this is all free. What you need is only KineMaster and the animation that you want. So please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and comment on this video. And I'm gonna see you in my next animation.